Mega Richard, di career man. For yan. Ba't si Leo ulit lang? Pinagagawa ng third. May laglag pala siya kung sakala.
Announcing the winners for Girls Advanced Kata event for 18 years old and above. May I repeat? Announcing the winners of Girls Advanced Kata event for 18 years old and above. Erica Samonte of KDA Bronze. Nia Bacolao of AUK Cebu Silver. Mika Borromeo of AUK Cebu Gold. Winners, kindly proceed to the awarding area.
Hello?